Oh, namaste. This is the way to another extension of Sadhana Yoga Retreat. We call Yoga Nature Village. We follow this path and we will show you more. We have arrived to the Sadhana Yoga Nature Village. It contains 5 rooms for the guest and reception area. Room for the one guest, room with bathroom in, and the wonderful view of the lake and big windows. The entire Pokhara Valley, Fewa Lake, hall, 20 to 30 people can be adjusted here. Here, where we sit for the dinner or for the meals is from our garden too. This is our garden, and this is outdoor yoga platform.